welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great evening. Please make sure you like this video and hit that subscribe button and the bell next door to it so that you will get notified of all my future videos. Sorry I've been kind of MIA for a while, but here is my February BoxyCharm box. I did already open it because I just wanted to see what was in here. Just with all the scandal and all the uproar over the boxes for the last, I don't know, December's Boxy Lux, and January's boxes and all this stuff. I just wanted to open up this box and see what was in here. And I was starting to film because, as you can see, when I open this up, just so you know, BoxyCharm is a $25 a month subscription. It is monthly. You can, every 3 months, you can upgrade your base box if you want to the Boxy Lux, which is $49.99. So you basically, if you prepay for your base box, you just add an additional $28.99, I think it is, or something like that. Whatever it is to make it almost $50. And they did start a premium box a couple months ago. That's $35. You get more products in that one, but as you can see, this is a BoxyCharm. You're supposed to get 5 full-size products, and you are able to customize one item in the base box. And I did customize, so we will see if I got that item. So when we open this up, I was concerned because the second I open this up, it looks like it normally does, doesn't it? Or do you see something missing? Yes, that's right. I'm missing a card. And that's partly why when I opened this up, I started going online to research all these products to find out how much they cost. Because I'm like, well, where the heck is my card? When I was seeing everyone else's unboxings on YouTube, they had a card. They had a physical card. And then a couple days after I got this box, I did get this box last week, a few days ago, but I got a virtual February insert card. When did they say they were going to start doing that? And this month, I always keep my cards so that I know what the heck I got in my boxes. But this month is supposed to be, the theme is adore. Hence, you know, it's February, Valentine's Day. So we're going to find out whether or not I like this box or not. So, do I like it or not? I can tell you right now, I'm not pleased with this. I want my card so that I can put it up and show it to you. Here's what it's supposed to look like. I did get variation. I had to look all over the place for it, but here's my variation number that you can't see because of how number 48. I just watched Jen's video. She said she had variation number 57. I seriously feel there's way too many variations in this box. I like the fact that people are getting different items, but if I'm going to try and remember to link BoxyCharm's video down below where they unbox this box, or the February base box. Every single item in here, just like last month, is a variant item. So you could get, no wonder there's 57, 58 variations of this box. So, anyway, also this month we got foundation. That was one of the choice items. I will put a little blurb in here to show you the different items that we had to get to choose from. So the first item I'm going to show you is that item. I chose the Beccacosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And this is a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish, $44. Here's the box. As you can see, I got it in the shade Cashmere. I did get the swatches, but and this was the shade, and I also went on the Sephora website to confirm my shade because I just wanted to make sure, because Sephora has that capability to match you with other foundations that I have that I like, that I did to this. But I mean, look at the box and my thing. This is way lighter than what's the outside this box look. When I first saw this box, I'm like, this is way too dark. So anyway, this is in the shade Cashmere, as I said, and this is the component right here. It really feels very heavy, not the thing itself, and it just has a pump. So let's pump a little bit of it right here on the back of my hand. Might spit at me the first time I use it. Okay, come on. Okay, this sucks. You see this? I'm still... There we go. Jeez. Okay, so I said this is $44. So here's what it looks like on the back of my hand. Let's try and blend it in a little bit. Oh yeah, that probably is too dark. So here it is on the back of my hand. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror, in the video there, but it looks... in person, it looks really yellow. It is somewhat my shade, but it's very, 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 very yellow, if you can see that, compared to my other hand right here. This is the hand with the Becca on it. I don't know. It looks very yellow, and it is definitely full coverage because the freckles I just had on my wrist are all gone. On my hand, rather, are all gone. So, we'll see. I'll try it. I'm going to probably obviously have to go in with a very, very light hand. Maybe mix it with something else. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know down below. The next item that I see in here is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I've seen these at Ulta many times over. I've never gotten these because I never felt the need to need them. That's what they look like. They are a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acid to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. $16. As I've stated, this has been on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, so you can get it for half off. It does have a safety seal here, so I'm not going to open this up. I think I'm going to be taking this to work and see what Liz got. We'll be swapping some stuff, I'm hoping. I don't know. $16. Just a hack for you all. I know I got exfoliating wipes from my my wax specialist that I use for ingrown hairs. TMI, sorry. She said, cut these so they'll last twice as long. These are big pads. I can see that because of the size of the container. So if you do cut these pads, that will give you twice as many. There are only 28 pads in here. So if you cut them, you'll have twice as many. Anyway, I'm going to put that down. The next item that I see in here are the Evio Skin Aurora. Eviobeauty Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. This is what it looks like. It's just a black package. These biodegradable multitasking Evio Skin X Aurora, come on, Sleeping Beauty, wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes, they're antibacterial. Bacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. But I thought these were cleansing wipes. Antibacterial. Why would I want antibacterial all over my face? I have antibacterial wipes that I use for my hands or to sanitize stuff, but not for my face. And this is $10. So I've got pads and I've got wipes. I'm not happy with this, but I mean, I got the foundation. So I've got two products here that I'm really not going to use. If you can let me know down below the big huge thing with hemp seed oils and all that stuff, please let me know, because to me it just seems like a fad that everyone's trying to get onto so that they can have a marijuana type product in their possession and be okay with it. I mean, it just makes my skin crawl sometimes. The next item that I have is Alamarcosmetics. It's the 3-piece complexion brush trio. I love Alamar. I love Gabby. She went off. She used to work for BoxyCharm. She went off and did her own thing, made her own company. And I have gotten the, was it a 3-brush eyeshadow? Not 3-brush. The 3-brush eye set, I think it was. 3 brushes? I don't know. But we got some brushes before. This plastic thing that's on top of it is really good for, do you see that? For helping to keep the shape of your brushes and for storing your brushes. So let's take this off. So here's our 3 brushes. I've got a full coverage, what is it? This vegan and cruelty free 3-piece brush set comes complete. Oh, I'm having a hard time doing 2 things at once. So here we go. Here's the 3 brushes right here. I love her brushes. They're nice and soft. So what do we got here? We have this vegan and cruelty 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush. So this is your complexion brush right here. You see the top of it, it's got this little design and it's a little bit more packed, denser than the other ones, but it's still nice and soft for you to get on your face. A bronzer brush and a brightening brush. So I'm thinking this is the bronzer brush because it's got that a little bit of an angle to it for you to get along the side of your face here. And then this is the brightening brush, so you could use this to do your highlight or to bake underneath your eyes. This has that tapered look to it. So here's the 3 brushes right here, and they have these beautiful, is it rose gold? Yep. I guess you would say it's kind of like a goldish rose gold color. And then it's got their name and then the name of the brush on the other side. So I like this. This is $36. So I've got a $44 foundation, 3 brushes for $36. I like these. These are nice and soft. Anyway, the last item in the box is by ciatelondon. I really hope there's no issues with this ciatelondon Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with ciatelondon's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And I can't get it out of the box. delicately coconut fragranced. I was hoping it wouldn't be. Okay, I can't even get it out of the box, y'all. I'm trying to save the box. I don't want to rip the box, but I have a feeling that's the only way I'm going to get this out of here. So this is a coconut setting powder. It looks like this. It's a pretty decent size. And it's got that reflective top on it. And let's take a look at it. And it is coconut fragrance, so we'll see how fragranced it is. It does have a safety seal on it. So if I peel up just a little bit of it, I don't want to peel up the whole thing. That's how you get a mess. Come on, baby. It's stuck in the corner over here. There we go. Come on, just give me these 3 little dots right here. There we go. Alright, so there's a little bit of it. Whoops. Making a mess already. So here's what it looks like in the tin, if you can see it. Looks like that. No, you can't see it. So let me put it on my finger. So here's what it looks like. It looks like that. I don't really smell a coconut scent. Let me see. I'm using my fingers. It's not normally how I use setting powder. I could use one of these brushes, but I don't want to use the brush right now. So what do we think? I'll need to continue using it and see exactly what I think. But so far, I think it's pretty good. This is $22. I'm getting that everywhere, so I have to be careful with that. So I think the box is okay. For what I paid for it, I paid $25 plus tax, since I live in the great state of California and we gotta pay taxes around here. I got the ciatelondon setting powder, which is $22. We got the brushes for $36, so that's what, 40, 50, 6, 7, 8, $58. And then I also got the foundation, which is $44. This is all I'm going to use basically of the box. The rest of this stuff is going to be, anyway, the hemp seed wipes are $10 and the facial pads are $16. So I think I did okay. I mean, I've got 3 products here valuing, what did I say, $22, $36, and $44. So the 36 and the 44, that right there is $80. Plus this, that makes 102. So on the whole, I really think I did pretty good on this box. I only paid $25. I will put the whole amount of my box right here because I forgot my calculator. So let me know what you think of this box. Are we Boxy twins? Did you get the same items as me, or did you get something else you want to let us know about down below? I do hope y'all are having a great day. I have to get going. I got a date with the washing machine. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a great evening, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.